Hello everyone, how are you? Today, just by watching this video, you can talk about your daily life in Hilsa. Hello friend, hello, I'm fine. Please comment how are you? And if you have any new friends in my channel, please subscribe my BBC English online channel. Let's get started. My daily life. I am a student. My daily life is very ordinary. I get up early in the morning. It is 5 o'clock in the morning. I washed my hands and face and then I went for a walk for half an hour. I like to walk in the morning. A morning walk keeps me fresh throughout the day. And I come back and have breakfast. I have a boiled egg and a cup of tea in the morning. Then I sit at my reading table and start preparing my homework. Read continuously for 2 hours. My studies are over. After that I showered and got ready in my school dress and went to school with school tiffin. I have to wear my school dress to go to school. Reach school on time. I always like to sit on the first bench. But I go to school regularly. Studying is my only aim now. I am very attentive in class. I wear my school dress to school. I listen carefully to the teachers. There are some naughty boys and girls in my class. I don't like them, so I don't associate with them. I always hung out with cool guys and girls and I liked them. Had tiffin after 4th period. I wash my hands and eat tiffin and after tiffin take some rest and focus on class again. All the school teachers love me a lot. Again, after 4th period in a row, my school recess bell rang. I packed my school bag, greeted Sir Madam and went home by myself. When I get home, the first thing I do is put the dress on the shelf. I wash my hands and face well, have a light breakfast and go outside to play. I returned home before evening. Time is very precious to me. I do all my work on time. Come home in the evening, wash your hands and face and have light tea. Complete all school homework one by one. I drink tea while reading. I like to drink tea. After studying I had dinner and a cup of tea and slept in a comfortable bed. I have a mobile phone. But I don't use it all the time except for urgent work. But after finishing my studies at night before going to sleep I listen to music on my mobile phone. There is no information through social communication with friends. I chat with everyone. I'm never late. I always fall asleep. After a very restful sleep, I woke up in the morning before everyone else in the house. Hello friends, I have some very personal work in my daily life activities. But I didn't say that today. You will understand at your own risk. Thanks guys, see you in the next video, and if you are new to my channel don't forget to subscribe my channel, thanks.